Hello everyone and welcome to season 21 of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. It's Spanish Town Primary from St. Catherine going up against Unity Prep from Kingston. I'm your host, Joni Wedderburn, and the action begins right now. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will have 10 seconds to answer. Each correct answer is worth 1 point. Earlier we had the toss and Spanish Town Primary won and decided to go first. This section lasts for 4 minutes, and with that time on the clock, we begin with Spanish Town Primary and Bible knowledge. Which disciple was a tax collector?
Matthew.
Correct. Unity. How many people were saved in Noah's Ark?
Eight.
Correct. Science. What part of the human ear converts sound waves into vibrations?
Eardrum.
Correct. Unity. What part of the human ear receives vibrations from the eardrum and passes them to the anvil? Spanish Town, would you like to try?
No, thank you.
The malleus. Television, it's a visual. This is for Spanish Town. Look at the monitor and identify this actress.
Julia.
Unity, would you like to try?
No, thank you.
It's Halle Berry. Unity, look at the monitor and identify this actress. Spanish Town, would you like to try?
No, thank you.
It's Kerry Washington. English language, this is for Spanish Town. Spell the word bizarre.
B-I-Z-Z-A-R-E.
That is incorrect. The correct response is B-I-Z-A-R-R-E. Unity. Spell the word edifice. Spanish Town, would you like to try?
No, thank you. No, thank you.
The correct spelling is E-D-I-F-I-C-E. Sports, it's a visual for Spanish Town. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Johan Blake.
That is incorrect. It's Wayne Pinnock, the Jamaican athlete. Unity, over to you. Look at the monitor and identify this person. Spanish Town, would you like to try?
No, thank you.
It's Kerry McLeod, Jamaican athlete. General knowledge, Spanish Town. What is the capital of Paraguay?
Georgetown.
The bell came first. Unity, would you like to try?
Yes, miss.
Assumption.
Judge? We'll go ahead and accept it, but the correct pronunciation is Asuncion. Unity, what is the capital of Bolivia? Spanish Town, would you like to try?
No, thank you.
It's La Paz. Social Studies, Spanish Town. And we won't be able to get to that question. That is the end of section 1. The scores are Spanish Town Primary on 2 and Unity Prep on 2. We go to the break with a friendly tip from Guardian Achiever. Get involved in at least one extracurricular activity at school this term. Balance is important. Work hard and play hard. Stay with us. Season 21 of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz returns after these messages.